our new innovations for 2020 is the G&G Bendable light. The light comes in 4 foot, 6 foot, 8 foot. The beauty of it is it's a direct feed 110 volt AC. So the reality is you don't need an extra power supply, you don't need to put a second box in. You run your 110, get it put right in, you're back on. But really what is awesome with this is the fact that it is truly bendable. Bendable by hand, with no heat, nothing like that. Of course, you're gonna bend it to your exact specifications, put it up on there. And there you have it. Super simple, anybody can do it. You're not fighting with it, you're not getting creases. This is IP68. This also includes a 3-year warranty as well. And the nice thing with ours is it comes with a kit. So you have an actual bracket here that's gonna mount right to the outside, so it's a no drill. Some of the ones out there in the field, you see them drilling into the vacuums. If you put a hole in the vacuum, as you're sucking through, you're catching debris. And then the nice thing with this is you can clamp them on very quickly, very little labor, very little time to get them installed. You can fit these on anyone's booms. And the nice piece is the clamp that we send you is gonna go right around the outside, and then it'll clamp on here. This is the 8 foot version of the G&G Bendable light fixture for your vacuum booms.